Hi, Vince Math, it must be Maths by MEA. Welcome again to the world of Maths by MEA. So, this one is a question in front of you, a class level 10th question. I would say please pause the video and try to solve this question and also try the homework question after the concept. So, I hope you have paused the video and you have solved this question. What do you mean by the class 10th level question? If any student of basic knowledge of class 10th can solve this question. So, let's check the solution of this question. As you know, there are multiple ways of solving any geometry question or any maths or aptitude questions. I'm going to use the basic and simplest way is nothing but similarity. We know these two lines are the parallel. So this angle, if theta, this angle must be theta. If this angle is alpha, this angle is alpha. And these two angles are nothing but same. So we can say the upper black and the lower green are nothing but similar triangles. And since this one is nothing but a parallelogram, and we know the diagonal bisect parallelogram in two equal parts by the area. So if I say this area is nothing but x, so the total ADB area is 19 plus x. So this area, that is BCD, should also be 19 plus x. We have 12, so we can say this one nothing but 7 plus x. It's quite simple. The area of the lower part of the diagonal is same as the area of the upper part of the diagonal. And we know these two triangles are similar. What it's mean? If I say the side ratio of DC to EB is nothing but A is to B. This one is nothing but a side ratio. So we can assume the FC side could be AM and this side could be BM in the same ratio. I hope it is okay. Similarly, if we say this one is AZ, this must be nothing but BZ. This one is quite easy too. Now, in triangle BCD, just think of the in triangle BCD. We know this one is a common vertex and we have DF is the base. So DF, if is the base, so the base ratio to base ratio FB, which one is equal to A by B, should be the area ratio 7 plus x upon 12. How comes? Can we say the area, if we say we draw a perpendicular line and this one is the height. So the height of both triangle, the black triangle and the red triangles are same. If the height of the both triangle are same due to the common vertex and the common base, the area ratio should be in the base ratio, that is A is to B. So this one is our first outcome. Work on a triangle BCE. Fine. Work on triangle BEC. We can say the CF upon FE is A by B, and this one is nothing but the area ratio 12 upon x. How comes? If you have a same base and the common vertex, height should be same. If you have a same height, then the area should be in the base ratio. So our area ratio of the black and red is 7x upon 12 should be in the same ratio of A is to B. In triangle BCE, the red is to green, the area is 12 is to x, should be in the ratio of A is to B. Since both have A is to B, so we can say 7 plus x upon 12 is equal to 12 upon x. Equating both, cross multiply, we'll get nothing but 7x plus x square is equal to 144. So x square plus 7x minus 144 is 0. So x plus 16 and x minus 9 equal to 0. From here we can say x equal to minus 16 or x equal to 9. Area cannot be negative. So we can say this value should be 9 and this value should be the 16. So the ratio of black to green part is nothing but 16 is to 9 and the answer. So this one is the one of the crude method of solving this question with the help of similarity. I used the basic class 10th level, that is similarity. The area ratio of any two triangles on the common base and the common vertex should be the same as the side ratio. I use this property with the two triangles and get the answer, and this one is my answer. So this one is a basic crude method. If you have any better method, please post in the comment box so that I can pin and other persons can also learn from your solution. Though I have more than 6 ways of solving this question, but I give you a solution which the basic and the crude geometry. Fine. So this one is the learning of the day. With the learning, I want you must solve the homework. So this one is our homework. it's a reverse question of the actual question. These two ratios are given, so we have a side ratio, you can say, and we are looking for the black to green ka ratio of the area. I want, please pause the video, read the question, understand the question, and try to give your answer in the comment box. Okay, and at the last I want to say, if you have not subscribed the channel, must subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and you can follow me on these social handles so that you can get the best concepts, best questions for your aptitude examination. God bless you. Happy learning and bye bye.